In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share CapCut project on mobile. If you've created something in CapCut and you're ready to show it to friends or post it online, the key is to export it first. A CapCut project is editable, which is great for making changes, but it isn't a shareable video until you convert it into a finished file. Start by opening CapCut and loading the project you've already created. Give it a quick look to make sure everything is in place. Your clips, music, and edits should look the way you want. When you're set, look to the upper right corner of the screen and tap the export button. Exporting turns your project into a standard video file that other apps can recognize and play. While export is running, keep the app open and let it finish. You'll see a progress bar that tells you when it's done. If your project is longer or has a lot of effects, it may take a little time, so be patient and avoid switching apps until it completes. Once the export finishes, you have two easy ways to share. The first way is through your phone's gallery or Photos app. CapCut automatically saves the exported video there, so open your gallery, find the newest video, and tap the share icon. From here, select the app you want like Messenger or Instagram. This method is handy if you want to preview the video first or choose exactly where and how to share it. On Messenger, you can send it directly to a person or group. On Instagram, you can share it as a post, a story, or even a reel, depending on what fits your content best. The second way is even faster. Right after you tap export in CapCut, you'll see sharing options on the screen. Pick the platform you want, and CapCut will pass the exported video straight to that app. Follow any prompts that appear. Some apps may ask for permission or for you to confirm your account, and your video will be sent automatically. This is perfect when you know exactly where it's going and you want to post without leaving CapCut. That's all there is to it. Export your project, then share from your gallery or use the share options that appear in CapCut right after exporting. With this approach, you keep your edits intact and make sure your viewers see the final polished version. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more CapCut tips and tutorials.